Welcome everyone to a new tutorial. Today we're going to be talking about how to clear your cache on Windows 11. So if you're running out of hard drive space or you find your computer's a little sluggish, sometimes clearing the cache is going to speed up your computer a little bit. So what we're going to do is we're going to right click the start menu at the bottom left corner of the screen and we're going to hit the settings option. When the new pop-up comes up, make sure you're on system here and we're going to go to the storage tab. Now the storage tab's great because you can actually do three various things. You can uninstall applications you're not using to save space, but what we're focused on today is the temporary files. So we're going to click on the temporary file tab, and then you will see a list of options of things that you can clear off your computer. Now, I wouldn't recommend clicking on downloads. I'm going to show you quickly what that is. So anything that's downloaded on your computer, you have this folder called downloads. Okay, this basically is going to delete everything out of this folder. And I know sometimes I save images and stuff that I want to keep. So I would go through this manually. I wouldn't use this option. Now you can if you just want a fresh start. I mean, feel free. It even gives you a warning here, but feel free to do it if you want. So most of these options, I would say, are pretty good by default. Yes, as that's 4 kilobytes, I mean, you might as well not even bother. But every other thing here you can pretty much get rid of. The only other thing I would say maybe you don't want, because it will affect performance for a little bit, is the thumbnails. So basically, any picture on your computer, especially in your pictures folder, you know when you see that preview of the image when you click on it? Well, these are the cached little images, the little thumbnails that you get when you click on an image for a preview. So if you do delete them all, it will clear them all, but then it's going to regenerate these thumbnails as you click on them anyways, and it will probably slow your computer down. So unless you have gigabytes and gigabytes of these, I'd probably just uncheck that. Again, feel free to click it. It's not going to hurt anything. It's just going to regenerate these thumbnails after you've cleared them. So it's kind of not useless, but I probably wouldn't touch that unless I have cleared a whole bunch of pictures. Then feel free. But if you haven't done many changes in your pictures folders, I would just uncheck that. Anyways, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you want to hear in the next videos, and I might make a video on it. Cheers. Take care.